You will not believe what I did. I replaced every single sound effect in the game with your voice. Every single one. Even the menus. Let's go gambling. I honestly had no idea that the gambling sounds were pitched up. Every single sound effect is you. Here's my latest level, Material Waste. There's no sound effects on the wave part. Unless you count the size portals. I died! If I wasn't on ignore damage, I'd be like dead. Ah! Okay, even with ignore damage, I'm dead right there. Stupidest jump scare mod I have ever created. It's also the first that I've actually made. Other ones I just got from the mod place, but this one I literally made myself. I wonder what the flying beast is gonna sound like. Battle Dash doesn't even say "all welcome." Combine my favorite thing with you. Do you like this, Carter? I'm gonna turn into a ball. I'm going in the featured level. Wait a minute, will it also affect the voice chat? I haven't tested multiplayer yet. on! Okay, found the right file now. Now we bussin'. Oh my god! The smooth fix killed me. Detail mode. Single sound effect. When you leave a level, when you open a level, when you collect chests, when you kill someone. It's all Carter. Everything is Carter. Including voice chat, maybe? Well, let me see if I can find a level with someone using voice chat. Maybe random processing. People love to troll. Everything except for voice chat. Actually, come to think of it, I think it was. Nope. Everything except for voice chat is a thing. I hope you enjoyed this stupid mod I made. I'm gonna disable it right after this video. I can barely focus because of all the... Imagine trying to beat a demon with this. Well, I'm beating a demon with this. This mod is like impossible for me to focus. Okay, don't go for the key. Don't grab the key because the key kills me. They're all delayed for like a whole second because of your breathing in. Why do I keep saying your like you're gonna actually watch it? You're gonna watch part of it and then show me your animal voiceovers. This is like so impossible. Could I even beat one level with this mod on? It doesn't affect the difficulty any. mod, there was like a ah at the bottom. Did you see that? That's crazy. Breaking was part of the song. I've replaced every single sound effect. Every single one. But the glass breaking was still there. So I guess it was part of the song. We got a gambling key, let's go! Let's go gambling.